Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show teachers how to post work on Khan Academy and then have it post directly to your Google Classroom. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on your teacher dashboard. You're going to scroll down. Now, there are two ways that you can assign work. I'm going to go to my class here. I can click on the Assign tab. Now, as you can see here, I've already assigned some work here for practice. However, what if I want to assign something else and I want it to post directly from Khan Academy to my Google Classroom? Well, one way to do that is to simply click up on this course button. I'm going to pick something. I'll pick AP World History. Okay? So, I want my student to peruse these videos and complete some of the assignments. So I'm going to look at the course summary over here. I also have a more detailed summary in this area. I'm going to just click Beginnings. And I'm going to look over here on the sidebar on the left. I'm going to click that. Normally these will come with a video. I'm going to click that. It should take me, it takes me to text. So this is what I want to see. I want my student to read this material. Because I want it to post directly to Google Classroom, I'm simply going to click Classroom. And then you'll see the Share to Classroom. The next thing I must do, I must choose the class. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pick my stock class here. Then it says I must choose an action. Well, I want to create an assignment. It's going to do that for me. Then it will click Go. Now this is exactly what I would see on the Google Classroom page if I was doing this here. So I'm going to leave some specific directions here. I'm going to type my directions. Read the assigned text and complete the note-taking form I posted on your wall. Let's just pretend that I did that. So, once I've done that, I want to scroll down, make sure that I have the due date. So today is the 30th, so I'll make the due date tomorrow, and I'll give them till 11:59 p.m. Now, topics. I have my topics set up here a little bit different. However, I have gotten away from specific name topics, and I prefer now, I'll just say week 31. Week 31 of the school year. That makes it a little bit easier for students to find their work, and also makes it easier for teachers to track assignments as well. So what I'm going to do here, I double check, make sure I have my due dates, my points, if I so choose. Make sure I have the right text. I do. And then I make sure that my directions are clear. They are. So the next thing I do is I click Assign. And what we're going to do, as soon as this is done, as soon as I click out of that, I'm going to venture over to my tab here. This is the student account. So what I'm going to do, I, the student, am going to go to my notifications, and I'm going to see if anything shows up yet. Or actually, I take that back. I'm actually going to go here to my classroom. And what do you know? Voila, on my stream, there's Khan Academy, What is World History? So I'm going to click here. And wouldn't you know, week 31, that's what the teacher labeled it. I click on that. I click on this as a student. And voila, that is what I will see. And it will take me right there. Easy peasy. And that is how you assign work from Khan Academy to Google Classroom. Thank you so much for your time. God bless.